So we're excited to tell you a little bit about this workshop that Kathryn and I will be giving in Ottawa. Do you remember the dates?
June 21st and 22nd, 2019.
Right. And in this two-day workshop, we're going to show you how we've worked to integrate an attachment focus to our ACT practice for couples. How do you do that, Kathryn?
You know, we've both been ACT therapists for a while, and I think that trying to figure out some more concrete tools on how to apply this to couples work has been something we've both been really passionate about. And also in doing our couples work, we've really enjoyed having an attachment focus and integrating that perspective. And so it's been a lot of fun for us to develop new ways of putting these two perspectives together and just seeing how it can even, you know, in our perspective, make our work with our couples more fun and also more efficient. And I think the people that we've been working with have been really liking it so far.
Yeah, I mean, totally. You know, I started doing couples work pretty much when I started doing ACT, some 10 years ago or so. And I have to say that bringing this attachment-informed focus to my work, you know, using some strategies from EFT and whatnot, but really integrating it in the way I work with the Matrix and with ACT has made a hell of a lot of difference. It's made my work, I feel, simpler, and it's made it more effective. And now we're at the stage where we can share some of that, right?
Yeah, and I think something that I really love about this too is that attachment, perspective, and different strategies that we use within ACT, they're very compatible with each other. And I think something that we're going to be able to offer in this training is a really nice framework to be able to understand how they can come together, ways that they're different, ways that they're the same, but also ways that they can really nicely complement each other.
Yes, because this is the other thing I found also, that bringing a psychological flexibility perspective to couples work can actually be very helpful to help, you know, couples untangle from unhelpful stories, from making more space, from also working, you know, more deliberately on perspective taking, and also, you know, thinking about shaping that behavior of connecting and reconnecting in those more precise behavioral terms can actually make a lot of difference in the work.
Definitely. Yeah, no, I'm really excited, and I think that there's in some ways you and I have been talking about how there are classic ACT strategies and interventions that are easy to adapt over, but there's also some new material that we've developed together. So I'm really excited to be able to share that and just even to see what people think.
Yeah, and that's the thing I'm most excited about is how much, you know, new stuff we've been producing in our work together and road testing, you know, with our clients and seeing that it makes a difference. So we've got new worksheets, we've got new exercises, new metaphors even. So really, if you work with couples, or if you're interested in working with couples, you're still hesitating, please come and see what we've been cooking.
Yeah, we can't wait to share it.
Thank you, and see you at the workshop. There you go. That was great.
Yeah.
You did it.